Madhava Seva means service to the people. Madhava Seva means Madhava is the name of Krishna. Madhava Seva means service to the God. You are doing something for the human beings, service you are rendering. That service amounts to worship of God. That is a concept. Equivalent thing we can see in Christianity also. What are the bases of Christianity? Love, kindness, compassion and dedication. So without looking into the different religions or anything, any difference, I am visiting all these types of institutions.
We have 57 childcare institutions, and also we give them little grants which we have proposed to the ministry, which we will be giving this year also. And also, so we conduct with Father Maverick, they are the state adoption agency for our department, wherein we coordinate with them for adopting child through CARA, Central Adoption Agencies. So they are our agencies in the north.